Hello everyone, how you are doing? Welcome back to Bella Family Channel, guys. Today I'm preparing just one pot of spaghetti, guys. Just a dinner I want to have. I want to prepare it for the family, guys. You can see the boiled water is already here, and this is the spaghetti I'm going to use. This is the concentrated tomatoes I'm using, the onions, the 1 cube of mango is there, the garlic, everything, onions, sliced onions, and the other tomatoes I'm going to use. It's like a fresh tomatoes. Why this is the concentrated tomatoes, guys. I will be doing just one pot of spaghetti, guys, and the chicken I'm going to use is right here, and some egg. The egg is right here, and the chicken is inside the oven, guys. One full chicken is inside the oven, guys. Just stay tuned and watch. I'm going to prepare this delicious spaghetti, guys. Watch it out. The water is already boiled. I'm going to turn the, look at, is the full one. I'm going to turn it inside. I'm going to turn it inside, guys. Okay, guys, we are going to check it out and see how it is now. Oh, yeah, it's ready right now. It's ready. Oh my god, it's ready right now. I have to turn it so that I can start frying the sauce. Okay, right now I'll be adding some groundnut oil, little groundnut oil, because you are not going to add groundnut oil too much. You'll be adding little, not too much. Yes, not too much. This is okay. I will have to reduce it. This is okay. I'll be adding my salt. I'll be adding my salt a little. I'll be adding my salt a little bit. I have to add my onions. I love using lots of onions. I'll add my salt, my onions and salt. It's right here. I have to fry it a little bit. Tomatoes is concentrated. I'm going to add that one, but I'm going to wait a little bit. Okay, I have to press this one right inside, guys. I have to press this one right inside, or I have to reduce it. Okay. You have to stir together, all together. Guys, you can see it now. Look at the color you are seeing right now. You see the color you are seeing right now. It's a little bit dark right now. I can now add the other one. You can see it. It's a little bit dried. I will now add this one to it to mix it together. You can see it. You have to mix the two together. You are seeing it. I have to mix all together. Okay. Pepper. I'm adding my pepper. Okay, there's the garlic. It's a little bit garlic. Yeah, guys, it's getting ready. It's getting ready. Guys, let's check it out and see how it is. Let's check it out. Oh my god, you can see that it's ready. It's ready. You can see it's ready. We have to add the eggs guys, before adding my spaghetti. Okay, yeah, it's 3 egg. Yeah, where is the 1 egg? Okay, guys, I have to add my spaghetti. Look at the spaghetti here. I have to add my spaghetti right inside. Right now, I'm going to turn everything. You can see it. Oh my god, this is delicious, guys. This is delicious. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it, guys. This is delicious. Look at it. Look at it. You can see the color right now. So delicious. And the chicken is almost ready. The chicken is almost ready, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see the pot of jollof? It's jollof spaghetti. Can you see that, guys? Can you see it? Can you see this, guys? I don't know if you can see it. See how delicious it is. Oh my god. When my wife will taste this, oh my god, it's going to say, darling, oh my god, throughout the night you will be in charge. Oh my god, this is delicious, guys. And you see, that is why it's not good to add too much groundnut oil. You see the down, you see the down, you see the down. No groundnut oil like that, not too much oil. You see the down, look at the down. You see, it's not good to add too much groundnut oil, guys. You see it, everything will see like this. I'm going to leave it for at least 2 minutes, just 2 minutes, guys. I'm not going to cover it again. I will leave it like this, 2 minutes. Yeah, see how it's going to look like. Let's try it out and see. That is the 3rd egg. You know, a full egg is qualified to be a full chicken. We have 3 chicken here. 3 chicken, 1, 2, 3. We have 3 full chicken in the food, guys. It's almost ready, guys. It's almost ready. It's almost ready, guys. Let's see how it's going to be. Then I will bring the chicken and add it on top of the spaghetti and see how it's going to look like. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget. Yes, it's almost 2 minutes now. It's almost 2 minutes. Let's check it out. Let me come and turn it and see how does it look. And see. I hope it's not burning under. And see how does it look. Okay, guys. Look at it. Oh my god, guys, the thing look delicious. It look delicious, guys. Look at, ready to be consumed with 3 full chicken. 1, 2, 3 full chicken. Okay, guys, let me try to bring out the chicken inside. Guys, yes, the chicken is out. I'm creating a space for the chicken. I'm creating a space for the chicken, guys. I'm just creating a space for the chicken to stay. I'm creating a space for the chicken to stay. Okay. Guys, look at the chicken. Wow. Yes. The chicken is here to stay. Guys, you can see the chicken. And the 3 chicken surround together. You can see that. Look at it. Look at the chicken. Look at the spaghetti. Look at everything. It's ready, guys. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you have watched up to this place, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Keep us moving, guys. We move, guys. Thank you. One love. Keep us together. One love. All the support of Bella family. God bless you all. Thank you so much. See you in our next video. God bless. Thank you. Bye.